Hello YouTubers! So ever since I redone the system, I haven't got a chance to show you guys how I did the system here. And how it functions with new cable and everything. Remember how the old box used to be here? Those are the new boxes right up there. It's where the batteries and all the wiring takes place of the fire alarm system. Still hooked up with this guy. So, I have no pull station, yeah. I know, I gotta get a pull station eventually. Like I said, I ran this cable mate by Legend. I got this actually at Home Depot. Here's the wires going out to the workshop, all kneaded up and everything. It all runs up that cable mate set back into those boxes. Fire alarms are still hooked up in the garage, but today we gotta do a little fire drill because I haven't tested the system in a while. So I gotta get up on that stool. We're gonna go outside, you know, film around, and then for like maybe a minute or two because I don't want to make my neighbors mad. So, not that they haven't got mad at me yet, but there you go. There you go. Yep, that's my room right there. And verify it's working. There we go. There's the system test. I know I haven't done one in a while, but you can kind of hear it out in the front yard. So, I hope you guys like this video. I'm going to try soon to get a pull station, but I don't know when. So, because I'm probably going to put one right here, right below this light switch, because I actually ran a Cat 3 cable up there. I only used 2 conductors, and there's like 6 other conductors that I could use. So, stay tuned for